Now we study the effect of pressure on the physical state of matter. As we know that the effect of temperature, solid on heating, converting to liquid, and liquid converts into gaseous, and on cooling, gaseous state of matter converts into liquid, and on cooling, liquid state of matter converts into solid state. Now, effect of pressure. When we increase pressure on the gaseous state, as in gaseous state, there is large space between the particles. When we apply pressure or we increase the pressure, by increasing pressure, the particles come closer and the gaseous state of matter converts into liquid state. Similarly, by increasing pressure of the liquid state, the particles of matter comes closer and they are converted into solid state. First, when we increase pressure on the gaseous state, by increasing pressure, these particles come closer and the gaseous state of matter converts into the liquid state. Similarly, when we increase the pressure on the liquid state of matter, they convert into solid state of matter and vice versa. Vice versa means when we reduce pressure, the solid state of matter converts into liquid state, and when we reduce the pressure of the liquid state, the liquid state converts into the gaseous state, because by increasing the pressure, particles come closer, and by reducing pressure, the particles has space between them, or the space between the particles is increasing by reducing the pressure, as space of the particles is inversely proportional to the pressure. By increasing pressure, space becomes lesser. By reducing pressure, space becomes larger. It means when we want to change the physical state of matter from solids to liquid or liquid to gaseous or vice versa, we can change either the temperature or pressure. Means there are two factors on which the physical state of matter depends, that is temperature and pressure. Means for changing the physical state, the first, by changing temperature. By changing temperature means either we can increase temperature or we can decrease temperature. And second factor is by changing pressure. By changing pressure means we can increase the pressure or we can decrease the pressure of the physical state of matter. there are two main factors by which we can change the physical state of matter.